This spinach and strawberry smoothie is not only delicious, but it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein to help you stay full and satisfied throughout the day. The combination of sweet strawberries and nutty almond butter creates a delicious and creamy texture, while the spinach provides a nutritious boost. Whether you're trying to lose weight or just looking for a healthy and tasty snack, this smoothie is the perfect choice. Health benefits of this spinach and strawberry smoothie. 1. Boosts immunity. Spinach is a great source of vitamins A and C, which help boost immunity and fight off sickness. 2. Promotes weight loss. With its high protein content and low calorie count, the smoothie is a great option for anyone trying to lose weight. 3. Supports heart health. The almonds in the almond milk provide healthy fats that can help support heart health. 4. Promotes skin health. Vitamin C, which is abundant in strawberries, helps to promote healthy skin. 5. Increases energy levels. The protein in the smoothie will help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while the vitamins and minerals provide an energy boost. 6. Supports digestive health. The fiber in the spinach and strawberries will help keep your digestive system healthy. 7. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of spinach can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for overall health. Overall, the spinach and strawberry smoothie is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their health and wellness. Whether you're trying to lose weight, increase energy levels, or just looking for a tasty and nutritious snack, the smoothie is a great option. Enjoy. Here's how to prepare. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 cup almond milk, 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Instructions: 1. Rinse and drain the fresh spinach leaves and place them into a blender. 2. Add the almond milk, frozen strawberries, almond butter and scoop of vanilla protein powder to the blender. 3. Blend everything together until it becomes a smooth and creamy consistency. 4. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness by adding more strawberries or a drizzle of honey if needed. 5. Pour the smoothie into a tall glass and enjoy.